Сережа.
Sergey.
Майк. Майк. Олег Валерьевич.
Oleg.
Mike, you've just seen your spacecraft ready to fly. What's your feeling like?
Oh, it's fantastic to see it at this point. It's all packed up, ready to go. It's kind of like a pilot on his last walk around of the airplane before he takes off. This is happening 5 days before the launch, but it's still pretty neat to see it in its final configuration.
Oleg, my first question is for you, the person who is flying into space for the third time. Is there a difference between a first flight and a second flight? What is important for a cosmonaut to prepare? To be healthy, to have friends who are waiting for you, to return to Earth, or what? Well, it's a long question. Or it has many components. So I'll answer the first half of the question. Each flight is unique. It's a different vehicle. You may think that all the vehicles look the same, but they're not. Each crew is special. Each mission is different, including goals and objectives. Now, the sense of risk and fear, I think everybody is prone to fear. So what's important is for you to be able to overcome this tension, this sense of danger, and fulfill your responsibilities. I would say that our crew is prepared both physically and morally, emotionally, and we're prepared to complete the objectives of our flight. So, but health and family are also important, right? So which one is more important? You can't pick one over the other. You need to have reliable hardware. You need to have good health. You can't say this is more important, this is less important in space flight. I have more experience, that is true. And I understand what to expect during launch, what to expect when we're on orbit, what to expect during the descent and landing. And so that really is a good advantage. How many flights is the maximum number of flights in space? Is it 3 or 4? Well, you know history that there have been up to 7 flights for one person. So I think you're only limited by your desire and by your health. Can you step closer here, Sergey? Do you think that we have to fly in space, overcome the boundaries of humanity and try to fly further? Yes, I think that in the future we will always fly. There will always be engineers who are striving to create new spacecraft and fly further. If you think about it this way, used to take a long time to travel even to a neighboring city, and now it's nothing. So this is our goal for the future, to expand our space flight and the boundaries. You know, that you would say expanding the boundaries is a human nature. Once you achieve one objective, you want to move further. That's normal. So again, that's just part and parcel of who we are as humans, the desire to make yet another step into the future and push the boundaries and go the distance.
Tell me please about your family. What are they think about your job?
Well, they're on a plane.